Here at Bournemouth University, we study fossil footprints, whether they were made by dinosaurs or our ancestors. Footprints can tell us about the biomechanics of ancient animals. That means we can understand things like how fast they ran or how agile they were. They can even tell us about the behaviour of extinct animals and how different animals interacted with each other and their landscape. This research can also be used for forensic science. We've taken our technical know-how and computer codes from over a decade of research into fossil footprints and created DigTrace. It's a bespoke tool for the police and forensic scientists to capture and analyse footprints or footwear evidence left at crime scenes in 3D. We'll be exhibiting this technology at New Scientist Live. Come and find out more about fossil footprints and the latest techniques in crime scene investigation. Have your shoes scanned and find out what your feet say about you. You can even have a selfie with a mammoth or a T-Rex. Find us at the Excel in London between 10th and 13th of October 2019.